Hey guys, my name is Freedom. This is the beginner's tutorial of iClone 8 and Character Creator 4. In the previous tutorial, we already learned how to create a 3D scene in iClone 8 to apply a terrain, a sky, and also water, and we already adjusted the lights. So today we are going to learn how to animate the 3D avatar in our 3D scenes. So now I'm going to open the iClone 8. The iClone 8 already here. Alright. I will open the previous project file, the 3D scenes. I drag in to open it. Alright, now you can see this is the 3D scene that we created last time. You have the water, you have the terrain. So now we may want to create some 3D avatar here. Right. Now I will just go to search the contents. It will be here, the avatar. Right. I will choose from the actor, for example, the character here and avatar here. You can see I drag the avatar to the terrain. It will automatically fit the height of the terrain. Let's say now I drag the avatar to here. If I drag one at here, it will automatically put on the level of the terrains. You can see it will go automatically. Alright, next, once we add the avatar in 3D scenes, we are going to animate the avatar with motion file. For example, if I want to add a motion file to this avatar, same as last time, I will come to here, the animations, the motions. Let's say the human female, to move, to perform. Let's say the air dance. So we are going to test this motion file. You can see once you play, you can see it already not at the ground level. Just because of this iClone motion file, it already been set to there. So we may want to make some changes here. So at this point, we may want to put it at this position. I press W. To make it down like this. Alright, now we test it again. Now you can fix some problem because of you already adjust the animations. But of course it is not perfect because you still need to adjust the locations here. Alright, we click here just to check where is the point. It is here. This is the keyframe. We go to the animation, click Window, Workplace, Animations. And here we are going to fit to window. Okay, now where is the keyframe? The keyframe is at here. We just delete it first. Alright, now again we adjust it to make sure that the foot never touch the floor. Then again we try. Now you can see adjust it. At least it automatically follow the terrains because of we manually add a keyframe there to make this avatar go down. Right. Next, we are going to learn how to use the motion director to work on terrains. Okay, we use this avatar to make him work on terrains. Alright. Now I switch the window to the workplace, the standard workplace here. I double click already. Okay, record selected. I play. This is the motion director. He is a male. Apply. Now we are going to use the keyboard ASWD. Okay. You can see It also never follow the terrains, but we can adjust it later. This is the motion director. Right, now I click stop, and then this is the one. I click the macro data. The most recent one is this one. I click create clip. Okay, now we try to play. You can see this part, we need to make sure that it really follow the terrain. So we just have a look. At this part, we may want to make it up a little bit to make sure it looks natural. Okay, here we add a keyframe. Okay, at this moment, make it up. At this moment, you may make it up a little bit if you want. Now it looks better. Here, down a little bit. Now we try again. Right, now you can check the keyframe. Go to the animation, workplace. Go to the workplace animation here. You can see you already created 4 keyframes here. It allows you to let the avatar to always have the keyframe to make sure that it is already follow the path up a little bit here. Right. At this moment, still need to stay at the ground. Right here, up a little bit. Now you can just adjust manually. Here, up a little bit to make sure that the leg already touched the floor. At here, make it up a little bit. Alright, now so far so good. We just try to play test again. Play. Right, now you can see he walked naturally just because of I add all of this animation keyframe. Now finally he stopped here. Right, that's all for today about the avatar animation in 3D scenes. We need to be sensitive for the terrains to make sure that the avatar really animates above the terrains. And this is the simplest way just to create some keyframe. And we are going to pause it here. I will see you on next video about the beginner's tutorial of the iClone 8 and Character Creator 4. I will make all of these tutorials in series. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial, you'll receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. See you.